Welcome to lesson number 5 of Simplify, building easily repeatable systems and processes for your business. Now, this is where the rubber meets the road because we're getting ready to actually build a system and a process that you're going to be able to use. Now, remember, the reason we're doing this is to have the thinking done. You've done the thinking. We need it to have a home to live in a place where we keep it. And we use that to guide our behavior inside of our business. So we don't have to think about it every time we go back to do it. So what we're getting ready to build is the home. It's the home where that process is going to live. Now, I'm going to teach you 2 different ways of doing this. The first is in Google Sheets. Google Sheets is just like Excel. Google Sheets is free in the Gmail suite of things. And there you can build a beautiful process and something that you can use repeatedly in and out of your business. Now, the other thing I'm going to teach you is how to build that process in Asana. Asana is a project management tool that happens to have a free version, and that's actually what we use in my business. And it's free up to a certain number of users, and I don't know where it kicks in, but there's a paid version as well, and you may need it depending on how many people you have on your team. But chances are, if there's just a couple of you, you're going to be able to get away with the free version. And I love it. My team loves it. We use this, and it's been a really nice tool to keep processes in flow. So we will start with the Google Sheets version. I'm going to show you that. Then we'll go into Asana, and I'll show you what that looks like. And then you can decide where you want your process to live. All right, let's go to the Google Sheets version.